Welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue paper slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last 6 video is also please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue paper slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is any type of thick shampoo. I'm just using this one by Suave. You guys will need shaving cream. You guys will of course need paper. You can use any type of paper. I'm just using some printing paper. And then optional is food coloring. Then you guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Okay, so I'm first going to get out my bowler plate, and I'm just using this bowl, and I'm going to add my shampoo into here. This is basically the base for the slime, so it's kind of like the glue. And then after that, I'm going to add in my shaving cream, and I'm going to shake it up. And you just need a little bit of shaving cream. A little bit goes a long way. So that looks like enough. And now I'm just going to mix this up, and I'll do that now. Okay, that's enough mixing. And now what I'm going to do, and this is the optional part, I'm going to add the food coloring now. I'm just going to add a dot of this pink color. And I'm going to mix it up again, probably for another minute or so. Okay, that looks like just enough mixing. And now this is the part with the paper. So I'm going to get out my printing paper. You can use toilet paper, you can use paper towels. I just like using printing paper because it kind of makes more of like a buttery slime, I feel like. So I'm going to get shredding it up just like this. And just shred it up into small pieces. And I'm going to add it into the actual soap mixture. And you can even add this into, like, if you have a real slime with like glue and stuff, if you add just a little bit of toilet paper into there and you mix it up, it can make such a nice buttery slime texture. So I definitely recommend doing that as well. And I am gonna add some more paper into here. And that looks like enough paper, I feel like. And now all you have to do, this is the last part, just mix it for another minute or so. Okay, that's enough mixing, and basically all I wanted to do is I want the paper to actually dissolve into there. So the paper looks pretty much dissolved now, and this is the last step. I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 hours. It sounds like a lot, and I know some of you guys really don't like recipes where you need the fridge, but the refrigerator basically forms the actual soap mixture into a slime. So I'm going to put it into the fridge for about 2 hours. Every 30 minutes I'm going to mix it up and make sure the paper is dissolving into here. And if it looks like it needs some more soap, add some more soap. And if it looks like it needs some more paper, add some more paper. So I'll see you guys in about 2 hours, but for you guys, a second. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 to 3 hours. I left it in there a little bit more, and I added some more shaving cream and some more shampoo and food coloring, of course. And here is the color. It's such a weird pinkish, like, red color. I'm not really sure, but let's see how it turned out. And it's pretty sticky. Oh my gosh, it made such a nice, like, buttery slime again. Like, it's all over the bowl and stuff, but look how this turned out for a paper slime. And wow, the actual, like, food coloring is getting all over me. Maybe I shouldn't have added that much, but here's how it turned out. You can still see that some of the actual printing paper isn't all the way dissolved into there, but it made such an awesome texture. I just feel like I shouldn't have added so much food coloring because it got all over me, but that's okay. But look how awesome this texture is. It's pretty sticky though, so let me get mixing it up for a little bit. Yeah, but here is how to make no glue paper slime. I feel like this is probably one of the best ways I've made this in a while. You guys know this is one of my favorite recipes for my channel, and I show it a bunch of times, but today it turned out great, and I still can't get over that it's like a buttery, fluffy texture. I'm so happy I added some shaving cream into it because it turned out great. Again, I added way too much food coloring, but this recipe was a huge win-win for me. Please, if you try this recipe, please put it in the comments down below. And if it worked for you, put it in the comments down below. And if it didn't work for you, I will also get back to you in the comments and give you some helpful ways how to make the snow glue slime recipe work for you guys. But this recipe was a huge win-win on my part. I love the color of it. I wish I didn't add that much food coloring into it, but that's okay. But remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, in peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!